Let's sublimate some glass cutting boards. These cutting boards come in this box and they're ready for sublimation. It comes in a set of 4. And as you can see, on one side they're already plated for sublimation. So there's no prep that needs to be done besides putting this on top of your print. Per the instructions on the box, we're going to use 356 degrees for 180 seconds. And today I'm going to use my Cricut AutoPress. I printed out some designs that I created with Canva and Creative Fabrica images. I'm using 8.5 by 14 A-sub sublimation paper. We don't need to mirror the design because we're sublimating glass and it's going to show through, so we don't mirror. Just go ahead and center and then secure with tape. Okay, so we have some butcher paper to protect the press. Go ahead and place the cutting board with the print. And we are going to be putting the heat plate on top of the side that doesn't have the print. So the heat is going to draw in the image into the sublimation coating. Okay, we're at temperature. I'm going to cover the glass with some butcher paper and then we press. Okay, and carefully remove it from the heat pad. Let it cool off and we'll go ahead and do another. Okay, I'm just going to remove the tape. It's going to be very, very hot, so you don't really want to touch it without your mitts. There's the first one. Super cute. So this is the cutting surface. The part that we did not sublimate, the sublimation part is on the back. So you want to just hand wash that carefully, but this can be used as a regular cutting mat. Once it's cool enough to touch, what you're going to do is flip it over. They include these little feet. We're just going to go ahead and stick one on each corner. And this will just help elevate your cutting board from your countertop. And that's it. Super easy, cute sublimation project. They make great gifts. So I hope you give this project a try. Don't forget to like and follow for more, and thank you for watching.